Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bag. This is very small but this is very useful. So let's make it. First of all, take a canvas. Its width will be 40 centimeter and height will be 33 centimeter. And now it's turned into wrong side. Now I'm applying fusible interfacing to the wrong side. Set here like this and press it with iron. Now I'm taking a fabric. This is for lining. And its width will be 38 centimeter and height will be as it is 33 centimeter. After this is for handle and its width will be 32 centimeter and height will be 9 centimeter, and we need two of this and set here fusible interfacing. After this I'm going to stitch it. First of all, look at this, and I'm going to cut it from the center, fold it and cut it from the center. After this, look at this, we need to join this. Just simply stitch here. Now look at the join. We have to iron here like this. Now I'm going to make handle. Look at the handle. I folded both side and now it's time to stitch here and here. I mean both side we have to stitch. Look at this. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Look at this. Now I am going to measure here for handle. This side 37 centimeter and this side 33 centimeter, and we have to set handle this side, small side. First of all, make sure the center. From the center mark, now here will be another mark. It is 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter this side. Okay, this is for handle. So we need handle also this side, and it should be same measurement. Mark here, and now join the handle. By the way, if you need handbag, tote bag and daily useful bag, any kind of bag, so many videos I uploaded already on my channel and I will upload in future, so you can visit my channel and also like this video. So we need to stitch here our second handle. Look at the way. So after this, now take the lining and set here like this. Now we need to stitch, but before stitch I need to do something here. I have to leave here a gap. This is for inside out, so 12 centimeter gap will be okay. Now stitch. This gap it's actually need for inside out, I mean flip. After this, cut the corner. Look at this. Don't cut the stitch and flip it. Look at the way. Simply iron here, but before iron I have to flip it. Look at the way how to flip. After this, push the corner. You can use anything like pen or anything else and push out the corner. Now I have done iron, and now it's time to stitch. Pull it inside and make it align and we stitch it. All four sides will stitch here. Now we have to do something here. So fold it like this. It's 3 centimeter and clip up here and this side also. Same 3 centimeter, clip up here, and second side also same measurement 3 centimeter way. Now stitch here. Look at the stitch distance. Second side. Now it's fold from the center and make sure the center align here. Clip up here for make sure the center. Look at this, and I'm going to stitch here. My next video will be a wallet. I'm going to show you how to make a very useful wallet in a very easy way. So follow my channel. Look at the corner. I'm going to make it a good corner. So stitch here like this. Now flip it and look at the corner. Now we have to iron. After iron, it will look more gorgeous. And you can set here a snap button on the center. So would you like to give me a feedback about this video? Please comment on the comment section.